How to create custom invoice in Businet. Users can create custom invoice by clicking the Add button on the list page. Then users need to select the customer name and the shipment number. All the items will be auto-populated, and if needed, users can change the accessible prices. If needed, they can opt for tax exemption or can also add manual GST. Further, if required, they can amend the other details section. Once the document is approved, users can generate the PDF print of the custom invoice. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.